After watching this video, I reckon you'll never have to buy oregano again. Oregano? Oregano. Potato. Wait, who says potato? You will need an established oregano plant. So I guess it's not totally free, but you get the point. When you take your cuttings, you want to make sure that they are about 10 to 15 centimeters long. It's about 4 to 6 inches. When you have that cutting, just chop below a node. A node is the part of the plant that the leaves grow out of. Anyway, hopefully you'll find some sharper cutters that haven't been left out in the rain. You want to strip off the lower leaves and just leave a couple at the top. Don't stress about how many, just a few. You'll be fine, it's not an exact science. Then fill a container up with water. I have to use this half milk jug because someone got angry at me for using all the glasses in the house. Sorry. Put your cuttings in, making sure no leaves are touching the water. Come on. Behave. There it is. And then you can put your tools away. Who am I kidding? Put your cuttings in a place that gets a lot of indirect light. And then about 1 or 2 weeks later, you'll come home to this. Beautiful. You can pot them up. Create your own little oregano pot plants. Or you can just plant them directly in the soil. So give it a go. I reckon you could do it.